and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can set Telegram notification sound. It's a pretty straightforward process and you can customize your Telegram sounds in all the ways you want. So to get started, just make sure you have downloaded your Telegram app and logged into your Telegram account. Now just launch a Telegram app. Now you'll have a home screen something like this. At the top section, you can see a hamburger menu. Select it and navigate to settings. From here, you need to find notifications and sound. Let's go ahead and do that. Now there is notifications for chats. Inside it, we have different categories: private chats, groups, channels, stories, reactions. If you want to customize the notification sound for private chats, just select it. Now click on this sound and here change the sound to whichever sound you like. Alright, there is also an option to upload the sound of your choice from your internal storage or external storage or Telegram's apps folder. Just go ahead and select the MP3 formatted sound and the new notification sound will be set to your private chat. You can repeat the same process for the groups, channels and others and get the notification sound of your choice. Now you know how to set notification sound on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding setting notification for Telegram, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.